Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot Gmail integration troubleshooting, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin installing the HubSpot Gmail integration, ensure you have a HubSpot account and access to your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot CRM website. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the settings icon located in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar, find and select Integrations. Under Integrations, click on Email Integrations. Look for the option that says Connect Personal Email. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to log in to your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail address and click Next. Input your password and click Next again. You may need to provide permission for HubSpot to access your Gmail account. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. After the integration is successful, you will see a confirmation message in HubSpot. To check if the integration is working, return to your HubSpot dashboard. Open an existing contact or create a new contact. Scroll down to the email section to ensure your Gmail is connected. If everything appears correct, you'll see options for sending emails directly from HubSpot. If you encounter issues, ensure your Gmail credentials are accurate. Check your browser settings to ensure pop-ups are allowed for HubSpot. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache can resolve connection problems. If you still experience difficulties, make sure your Gmail account has IMAP enabled in its settings. In the Gmail settings, go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Ensure that IMAP is enabled and saved correctly. If the problem persists, consider disconnecting and reconnecting the integration. To disconnect, navigate back to the Email Integrations section in HubSpot. Click on Disconnect next to your Gmail account. Follow the earlier steps to reconnect your Gmail. With the integration properly installed, you can enhance your productivity. Check for any updates from HubSpot that may affect the integration. Always refer to HubSpot's support documentation for troubleshooting tips. This completes the installation and troubleshooting guide for HubSpot's Gmail integration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.